Hello YouTube! Look what I have right here. We'll be reviewing this in two videos. One is gonna be the full review, the other one is how to assemble. So hope you enjoy this. Anthony is doing some work over there and we will be assembling this right now. Everything comes really well packed. It's not really a huge box, but this is gonna turn out to be a really big car. What did you find? Some parts. That's the motor, Anthony. I have all the parts already laying on the ground right here. We'll start the assembling process, but look at that. Really powerful how thick these wires are. Powerful 24 volts battery, really big one. Nice. What the size of this controller as well? It's a big controller. There are two controllers. Daddy. Yes, Anthony. Everything is here. We'll be installing. There are lots of parts. We'll follow this manual here, and I don't think there will be any problem getting this together. We will start with the front motors right here. Just click in place. Goes a washer in the top and in the bottom, and then just a little clip that will bite into this and hold in place. When doing so, I have the washer right here. I'm gonna put another washer here and clip. Make sure you have the steering linkage connected properly as well. A washer and also a clip right there. Not even a minute, and here I have washer and clip right there, and I have the same here and the other side as well. My helper is connecting the motor right there. There you go, Anthony. Almost there. Did it click? Yes. Okay, yeah, that's a good connection. Same right here. Doing the wheels now. Unscrew your nuts, your washer in this plastic part. This is the rear wheels. Has this big plastic part. The front wheel doesn't. But this, as you can see, it connects right there. So the instruction here is calling for installing the wheel, and then it goes the plastic part, the washer and the nut, and then the final cover. So we'll do the wheel first. Click in place. You see that there is some space there. Get your spacer right here. Oh, let me see if this is exactly how it's supposed to go. Looks like it is. Now we're gonna install the wheels. Notice that this is the front one, it's little. This is the rear one, much bigger. So this connects right here and it's a perfect fit. So it goes like this and right there. See, the screw is all the way down there. So we're gonna install this nut. Well, first. All right, now to the step of installing the front wheel. Front wheel has this really tiny nut that goes right here. Following this is tire, spacer, washer, and then nut and cover. So we start with getting the tire right here. See, it's all the way down here, coming up front. So put this spacer right here. Then you put the nut. And that's how you do it. And then just lock this in place with this provided tool. Do the same in the other side. And then get your plastic cup and just put in place like so. Work your way out like so, and then maybe just press in place. It didn't connect pretty well right here. So one more tap, and there you have it. Now we're gonna install the rear axle. Look at this. This is like 1 inch. It's a metal bar, really strong. Has the hardware already here. We are going to insert right here. Goes all the way through. And then motor, wheel, spacer, washer, nut, clip, and cover. And then we'll do this afterwards. Secret as installing the motor here, connect your connector, lift this up, inserting the bar, put it right there, and then we're gonna put a cap over here that's gonna hold all of this in place. From this angle, now it's time to do the wheels. It clicks in place. Spacer, washer, and nuts. And then the very last step, I'm gonna add one of these. Do this in both sides. That's how it looks. And the tires are well assembled. Just put the cover on from the parts list. This is the cover. Snaps in place like so, and done. One wheel done. Just do the other one same as this. Now we're gonna do this cover that goes on top of this. Put this cable down there and then screw the cover on top of this. Simple, only 4 screws, motor, cables, everything in there, just like in the manual. Now switching here, we're gonna do the front end of the car. This only clicks in place. This also only clicks in place, so it's gonna be really quick. And then we're gonna do 4 screws in the bumper, 2 screws here for the windshield with just 2 pieces. This clicks in place for the windshield, 2 screws to put it in place, and then the big exhaust system. This piece was so easy, just clicked in place. This also clicked in place, and then you have 2 screws in this side, 2 screws in this side, and that's about it. Now we're gonna do the windshield, that bar, and exhaust. Windshield placed, missing the cover right here, which is this black yellow plastic. I believe just clicks in place right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this with 2 hands, and the exhaust system, one pointing left and the other one pointing right. There you go. Now I have this, the windshield and the exhaust system, front bumper, everything in place. Now we're gonna do the steering wheel. There is a click here, just click, put in place, click and push down, and locks in place just like that. The horn, you need to put double A's here, but this is the simplest way to install a steering wheel. Now in the back, we need to install this plastic parts. It's 2 parts, just goes right here. 1 screw, 2 screw each. The other one right here, just like so. Screws, and that should be about it. And then we'll do the seats. Wait, Anthony, which requires these metal parts to be installed. Final look into the components here, because we will put the seats on top. You need to connect the battery. Look at those speed controller. This car is so cool. Look all the switches here. So let's do this. I already assembled these metal parts into the seat, 1 in each side. So this should be a breeze right now. Installing the seats here, those are different screws. So goes right here. Another one here. 2 in the other side as well. And that's gonna get this part of the assembly completed. The seat cover here is really easy, just slide in place. Make sure you line this up, lock and unlock. It's gonna be useful when we add the bucket in the back. And then do the screws, 1 here and 1 over there. Now we're gonna do the bucket, which is 2 sides, and it's lots of screws. 6 screws plus 2, so about 8 on each side. Then you need to screw this metal part here. I'm gonna do all of this and then just place it in there. We have the bucket already assembled. 3 screws here, 4 here, 3 and 4, and that's where it goes. So this is in an angle right now. Oh yeah, no, it goes back. So not a problem, just screw all of this, and this is gonna be mounted right here in the rear of the vehicle. This is such a beautiful dump truck, black and yellow. I had a blue and red one before, a couple of months ago, but this is the newest release. Nice LEDs over here, really cool LEDs over here as well. And it does have a nice front grille and impressive bumper. Really cool wheels design with big caps, nice. Same in the back, right here. the fuel tank, fake cap as well. We all know this is 24 volts, battery powered. Lots of functions over here for music, Bluetooth connectivity, and Anthony is getting some of his work done already. Good job. Keeping on, you have the horns right here, double A is required right there. This is the lever to control the movement on the bucket, which can be seen. Oh, there is a lock mechanism here. This should be, it needs to be on the open position. So then when I do this lever, if I can get everything on one shot right here, then it moves over there. He wants up because he's doing work. This model also has 4 motors. So one motor right here, the other motor over there, and then one motor in each of the rear wheels. So 4 motors in total. LED lights, mechanism, electric bucket that you can activate over there. Right here you have the controls for 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, on and off, high, low, and backwards. Lots of different functions on this car. Detail is strong enough to hold bigger kids. Remote control that Anthony is operating right now. See, Anthony is driving it with the remote control. And there he goes. Going backwards. Can you bring it backwards now, Anthony? And he's gonna bring this backwards. Close to us right here. Go forward now. Forward. Okay, good job. And there he goes. He can control from the remote control. And that's what he's doing right now. It's going pretty far. Oh no, what's happening there? Keep on going, Anthony, come here. Now he's coming straight at us. He's having a good time. Keep on going. Oh, I know why. You press P, let me show you this. So it's blinking, you gotta press P again. That's the safety, and this is speed. So now it's all full speed. Let's go. It's gonna come fast. It's gonna come fast. I think this is gonna be it. Sun is going down. This is the reveal for this really cool dump truck. Yellow and black. Anthony having a good time. Yeah, watch out the full review. Ask questions, comment, like, dislike, and also watch the full assembly video of it.